Let's focus on our mindset today. Let's have positive thoughts. Let's keep it simple. And let's just focus on improvement and not be so outcome attached. Self-talk is very important. Your attitude, your mindset. I'm all here. I'm here to get better. I'm here to learn. I'm not here to be perfect. I'm not here to have it all figured out in one day, 1 week, 1 month. Like, I will take as long as it takes for me to be consistently profitable in this market, because I believe in the power of this skill and I am committed to learning it. I'm committed to learning it. I'm committed to lessons. I'm committed to myself, my goals. I know how to identify trends. And we are live, folks. We are live. So, dude, Tesla opened up. Green. Palantir. Everything's looking green right now. QQQ is up $10 from yesterday's low. Let's check the daily. Give us our bias. Okay, a long could be potential here, given this. So this is basically anyone's game here. We're at 610. I'm gonna just chill on the 5-minute chart and just look at this. Of course, we're gonna have buying pressure, right? Look at this, how much higher the EMA is. So the EMAs are not really useful right now. Just gonna have to wait a little bit. 610 is $10 higher than yesterday. Some contracts. If you bought a call that expired today, would have been up a lot. I guess depending on where it was in the money. So I know how to identify trends, and I will let the charts do the talking for me. Meanwhile, I guess while this is loading, we can watch some other stocks. Wow, is this today, brother? Bro, that has some strength. Brother. Apple, what happened? Brother, what was that candle? Look at this. It's like you want to join something like this, but Told myself I would only trade QQQ. So this looks on the daily here. Oops, not weekly. Damn near. Oh, dude, look at this. Look at this. Key level 610. It's kind of chilling here again. That's crazy how high it opened. $10? Oh shit, it has room to the downside. Honestly. Dude, Apple's kind of falling, bro. Not gonna lie. Damn. I would assume everything is kind of falling. Palantir, that's a good breakout. Damn. That's a really good breakout. If you see a candle like that, that's take a couple, bro. Literally. Bro, Apple is falling fast. Just gotta be disciplined. There's always opportunities. Always, always, always. Dude, look at I just want to see this stock quick. Look at that. It's crazy. Okay. We just gotta focus on QQQ. I'm just trading this one chart. Oh, is my live stream just this? Just trade. Why? Bro, why does this not work? Bro, it's not my screen. Dude. That's kind of annoying. Why is it doing this? Why is my screen frozen? On the stream. Like, why? Okay, this looks like a downtrend on QQQ. Like, it's pretty simple. Dude, Apple puts. Fuck. I'm not joining at the absolute top of this wick though. But like, I can't believe this is freaking frozen. Why? Why? Trading View. It's not Trading View. Why OBS? Why is this frozen? Why is my monitor not updating? That's not what my screen looks like. Bro, what? I missed my fill instantly. Damn. I tried to hit it on that pullback. Let's see what we do at the EMAs. Well, I guess I can't see my trades because why did this not work? Bro, I just missed my entry. Okay, I'm gonna see how I react on these moving averages. Bro, that Apple put, like, what are you doing, bro? You're just sleeping, bro. That thing went up 120%. Would have been up like $60 already. Crazy. Yeah, dude, I missed my entry on this. Bro, why is this not live? That's so annoying. Why does it always do limit orders? Like, I don't want to do a limit order. Wait, I gotta trade the 5. Hesitation. Do you want to put or not? Hesitation gonna get you nowhere. Okay. Perfectly and 1R risk. Now we bought a put. Preferably down to the EMAs. And we'll just see what happens. I am in a put. I wish my screen would show it, but it looks like a downtrend. It looks like selling pressure. Just based on the fact that we opened $10 higher than we closed yesterday. We're way extended above the EMAs. I got it on a slight pullback. I entered my position at a price I'm willing to pay. Like the perfect entry price, actually. So We'll just let it play out. We'll be calm. And this is the trend we're trading right here. Obviously, we can't see it but on the screen, but it's just looking like a pretty clean downtrend. Right now, at least. We are way extended above the moving averages. We're probably about break even right now. But we did our risk management before we entered the position. And that's it. We just kind of calmly try to trade a thesis. And if it wants to go against us, I wouldn't be surprised. Why would that surprise me? It happens basically every trade I take. Let's just be calm. Let's just be calm. Okay? Let's just respect the downtrend. It's gonna take minutes to happen. We'll see. Maybe it bounces off the 2-minute EMA. We don't know. But yeah, it's gonna go up and down and up and down. That's like exactly what price action is, and then someone will win over time. Bro. Looks like the moving averages are sloping up. Moving averages are sloping completely up. And it's looking like it's breaking this little trend line I just created. Why would that be surprising? Why would that surprise you? Let's just calm down. The outcome doesn't matter. I'm just thinking like a pullback to the 5-minute EMA. And you're like, why? It's just really extended. It opened up really high, I think the 5-minute EMA. See, like, this is a trend though. Like, this is what's, if you have consecutive candles, that's good for the trend. At least it's Google probably. I wish my screen was working. God, why is it not working? Like, why? There we go, we're getting some validation here. It's pulling down a little bit. It did reject off our trend line. So we retested it, adjusted it. Now we're breaking below the 9 EMA on the 2-minute chart. I don't know if price will respect that or just break below. We have a level marked at 606, which was some previous day low or something. I'm just trading the 5-minute trend. The 5-minute trend is down. Probably to the EMAs. Maybe, maybe not. It's kind of a doji candle, the one we just closed. Yeah, the goal is just to hit the EMAs. Let's just be calm, right? Be independent of the outcome, right? It's data. It's not a personal attack. It's not you being like, everyone has the same information, and how are you going to get better at trading, right? If you're not willing to wait, if you're not willing to take losses, right? Sometimes you're going to take losses. It's not going to feel good, right? Okay, I thought I'd be up more. This thing has not moved. And also, if you trade chop, I mean, but we have a 5-minute trend line moving down. So this could be the retest for another leg lower. The 2-minute supporting our thesis. Yeah, chances are we're I mean, the EMAs are sloping up, though. Like, that's the only thing. It's like, bro, we are above a sloping up EMA, right? We are above a sloping up EMA. And we respected it. But the reason I'm day trading like this is just to focus on my psychology. It's like, you can hold a trade longer than 2 minutes. It's so annoying when it goes against you. Like, it's really annoying. But once again, I did the risk management up front. This is not looking like a good candle. It's totally disrespecting the trend line I just made. Yeah, I'm fucked. It's not a good candle at all. Wow, that totally ruins my thesis. Totally ruins it. The EMAs are sloping up, right? Get out of your put. This sucks. Let's see if I can eke out a little bit. Yeah, the Bulls are winning. My account is taking so many hits. Another loss, bro. Oh my god. Another loss. It's just hard not to let it ruin your life. God damn it. Or I could have just traded this Apple put at 100% left. But no, that's too difficult. It's just like, dude, I don't get it. You did the opposite of what the chart is doing. Right? The EMAs are sloping up. You had buying pressure on the 5-minute. You still do. It's also just choppy. Like, it's not... Stock doesn't pick a direction. Most stocks are ripping right now. I don't know, I was calmer today, but it's just like, bro, it's another instance of the EMAs are sloping up. The EMAs are sloping up, bro. Why would you ever buy a put if you're above the EMAs? That's my question. It should be a simple rule. Where are you based on the EMAs? If you're above them, you can't buy a put. It should be so simple. And I've fucked it up the past 2 days now. Yeah, call's looking crazy right now. Yeah, this sucks. It didn't even show my screen. But it's just like, question, where are you above the EMAs? Right? Where are you relative to the moving average? Where are you relative to the moving average? Right? That's it. That's the only question you need to answer. That's the only question you ever need to answer. Thank you. So don't ever ask another question other than where are you relative to the moving average? And if you're not where you are and you buy the opposite, that's a mistake. Every single time. So yeah, this one went up, $40. Wouldn't even cover my losses. Yeah, it would. I haven't lost. I'm risking properly. I'm not losing that much, but it's just like, and you also bought against your buying pressure indicator. Like, you totally bought against it. Just another L. It's just like, why is it so hard to just execute something so simple? So simple. So simple. You know? It's so damn hard for you just to do something normal. Right? It makes no sense anymore. It's because you have bias from yesterday. Oh, puts printed. It's just like, damn. Shit sucks, kinda. Not gonna lie. Let's just see. Let's just test this theory and then I'm ending this. What do we do when we hit the moving averages? To say it was a downtrend to start the day, it was not wrong. It was. Then it broke character. Quite simply. Oh, screen didn't even show up.